Hello, second graders, and welcome to today's math lesson for today. Today we're going to be working on lesson 7.4, which is titled Show Amounts in Two Ways. And so our essential question that we're going to be thinking about and answering for today in math is, how do you choose coins to show a money amount in different ways? So we kind of talked about it a little bit before, but there's many different ways, many different coin combinations that you can use to represent a certain amount of money. So, for example, if you're trying to make 50 cents, there's more than just one way to do that with coins. So you could do 5 dimes, but you could also maybe throw in a quarter in there. Actually, 2 quarters would make 50 cents exactly. So that's another way. So that's kind of going to be the focus of this lesson today is really figuring out how do you choose coins to show a money amount in different ways. So let's start by watching the video.
Hi, friends. It's a windy day here in the park. The weather is perfect for flying kites. And the wind can get pretty strong. Two girls broke the strings to their kites and needed to buy new ones. Want to know something interesting, though? Click the kites and we'll watch them for a bit while I tell you. The kite strings only cost 30 cents, but each girl paid for the string with different coins. The coins they used looked like this. Wait a minute, that can't be right. That's 3 groups of coins. But I guess I saw someone buy something else, too. 2 of these groups of coins each have a value of 30 cents and were used to buy kite strings. I wonder which group doesn't have a total value of 30 cents. I think we need to learn how to show a money amount in different ways. Let's go.
Let's show 28 cents. Think about which coins you should use. Then click to see the first coin.
Okay, so just take a second to think about maybe what are some ways that we can represent 28 cents? What kind of coins can we use? I'll give you about like a couple seconds to think about it, and then they're going to actually show us. All right, so let's see.
You can start with a quarter, which is 25 cents. Then count on from 25 as you add pennies to make 26, 27, and 28 cents. This is one way to show 28 cents. Click to see another way you can show 28 cents.
Okay, so remember, this is one way. So they used a quarter, which is 25 cents, and then from there they added 3 pennies, so 25, 26, 27, 28. So 1 quarter and 3 pennies makes 28 cents. Now let's see a different combination of coins that can also make 28 cents.
This time, let's start with a dime, which is 10 cents. Think about what other coins you should use, then click to find out.
So just take a second to think about that. If they're using a dime, right, that's already 10 cents, what other coins are they going to need to make 28 cents? All right, so let's click in to see how to find out.
Let's add another dime to make 20 cents. Click to find out which coin to add next. You can add a nickel to make 25 cents. 2 dimes and 1 nickel is the same value as 1 quarter. You can't add any more dimes or nickels. You have to count on 3 pennies to make 26 cents, 27 cents, 28 cents. This is another way to show 28 cents. You can use different groups of coins to show the same amount.
Okay, so this is another way that you can make 28 cents. That's different from the first way that we saw. So this way uses 2 dimes, which is 20 cents because each dime is 10 cents. Then they throw in a nickel there, which is 5 cents, so that makes it 25 cents. And then adding pennies, so 26, 27, 28.
Here are 2 ways to show 40 cents. Matthew used more coins than Alicia, but the groups of coins have the same value. Matthew used 3 dimes, which have a value of 30 cents. Then he added 2 nickels to show 40 cents. Alicia used 1 quarter, which has a value of 25 cents. She added 1 dime to bring the value to 35 cents. Then she added 1 nickel to show 40 cents. Select coins that Matthew used that you could trade for 1 quarter.
So what could we trade to make 1 quarter? Well, a quarter is 25 cents, right? So if we were to take 2 dimes, which is 20 cents, and then a nickel, which adds 5 to that, that would also be 25 cents. So 2 dimes and a nickel are worth the same as 1 quarter. So we could trade those for 1 quarter.
Great job! You can trade 2 dimes and 1 nickel for 1 quarter. When you trade 2 dimes and 1 nickel for 1 quarter, you show Alicia's way. These are just 2 ways to show 40 cents. Think about other trades you could make to show 40 cents a different way.
So Alicia basically just used less coins. So what they were saying was that, again, 25 cents is 1 quarter, but you can also make 25 cents with 2 dimes and a nickel. So Matthew's way just consists of more coins, and Alicia's way consists of less coins. So whenever you're trying to find 2 ways to make the same value, think of one way that would be like the easiest, the least amount of coins, right? You don't want to have all those coins in your pocket because it's just going to weigh your pocket down and it's going to be very heavy, right? So you always want to try and think of the least amount of coins possible, and that's definitely what Alicia did. Okay, Matthew isn't wrong. So this is another way that you can make 40 cents, but he just used more coins. So first think of a way where you use the least amount of coins, then think of your second way as being another way that can use any amount of coins.
Now let's practice with the personal math trainer.
All right, let's do it. So it says Teresa has 41 cents. She has no dimes, so select which coins she may have. So remember, she doesn't have any dimes. So right now, right off the bat, we know that D is not a possibility because D right here has 1 dime. So we're going to be looking at A, B, and C. So we're trying to make 41 cents. So A shows 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42. So it can't be A. Let's check with B. So B has 25, 30, 31. So it can't be B because, again, we're trying to find 41 cents. Let's check C real quick. 25, 30, 35, 40, 41. So C would be the correct answer.
You did it!
All right. This one says Lee buys a pen for 30 cents. Select the 2 groups of coins that show 30 cents. So basically what we're doing is we're looking for 2 ways to make 30 cents. So let's check A. So first A shows 25, 30. So A is one way to show 30 cents. Let's check B. 25, 35, 40. So we can't use B. C shows 3 dimes, and remember each dime is 10 cents, so we're going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30. So C is also an option. Let's just make sure that D is not an option. So D shows 4 dimes. So if we have 4 dimes, we know that we have 40 cents because we count on by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. So our answers are A and C. A is one way to make 30 cents. C is another way.
Good job!
Okay.
Now try your homework on your own with the personal math trainer. It includes the exercise you saw at the beginning of the lesson.
All right, so at this time, this is your cue to either go on to Think Central and complete the assignment for 7.4 if you are feeling comfortable to do it. If you are not and you would still like a little bit more practice and watch me kind of do some more activities related to this chapter, just click the next video next to this one, and I'll go over some more activities with you to help you get a better understanding of how you can show amounts of money in two ways. So if you're ready to go and do the homework for 7.4, you may log on to Think Central now. If you would still like more practice with this, just click the video next to this one and I'll go more in depth with this lesson. Okay, everybody, great job today and good luck on your math homework. Bye.